A warm welcome to RTV. Today we have another episode with another eminent artist, Subramanian Gopal Swami, who's based in Bangalore. Subramanian Gopal Swami is, as we all know, that he creates fantastic work on Indian spiritual forms, gods and goddesses. And he has a huge fan base, and he has a huge, buyers who love to buy his paintings. Today, let us know what is his thought process. Let us know what is his experience, and we'll find out with Subras. Subramanian Gopal Swami is fondly known as Subras in the art circle with art lovers and buyers. So let's welcome Subras to this Art TV program. Subras, a warm welcome to you to Art TV.
Thank you, Vasant. Thanks for inviting me. It's a great honor. Anyway, the first beginning I wanted to share you that you know that I'm from a coastal village of Tamil Nadu.
Yeah.
The Bay of Bengal is just a kilometer from our house. You can enjoy the cool breeze from the Bay of Bengal, and it is a very sandy village and this. And my father, he was a stage actor. And he used to act a female role. Those days, no female will come for the theater because the whole night they will play. The Satya Harichandra, all these mythological plays. My father, he was a very beautiful man. We cannot say handsome man because he's slim, like a lady face. Excellent. And with original hairs, long hairs, more than my mother. So he used to act as a female role, and his initial, this one I don't know because I was the last.
So he used to play mythological roles. He used to play the Puranic roles, you meant to say, in the dramas, in the theater.
Yes, in Ramayana he will be Sita. Harichandra he will be Chandramati. Like that. In Krishna Lila he will be Yasoda and Radha. Something like that. He used to act. And that they used to sing and act.
Correct.
And in our house, if you see, all the mridangam, harmonium, music, and the drama equipments, the costumes, and it's colorful. Even though it is a village, our house is special because there is a big shed all to keep this. And we used to play with all these things in my childhood. So maybe this is the reason I am very much, fond of these colors and characters. The normal people, when they put the makeup and this one on the stage, they will be huge. They look
they look larger than life. Yeah.
Yeah, this is what I remember. And even I acted some of his play later on.
Yeah, okay.
Yes. Yeah. I was Manmadan and. Some other play I acted also.
This was way back in your childhood, you meant to say?
Yeah, childhood. Yeah, school days. It was when I was studying in 6th, 7th standard, like that. So that was the thing. And art. The first incident for me is in my village there is a school till 5th only our village till 5th elementary school. And opposite there is a Kaliamman temple. Every year, Thimidi Utsavam, walking on fire.
Correct.
So that place always you find charcoals, that place. So the Utsavam is going to come. So there was whitewash and all clean wall in the temple. I took one evening. I took some charcoal and I started drawing on the walls. And suddenly the priest came and he was caught me and he was shouting and this. Why you spoiled the, all like that.
You dirtied the walls.
Yes. Then my first standard teacher, he used to go very late. He will do some work. So he came from the school and he saw our, the fighting conversations. And he said, what happened? Then he told like that he spoiled the wall. Then he saw my drawings. He only said first, oh, this is very, very good. Like that, So don't remove this. Let the rainy season comes, automatically this will go. Till that time, let the people can see. Maybe that was my first exhibition on a wall.
First exhibition.
Yes. So even my father saw the next day and, they were all happy. Maybe this is the basic this one. Then after that, from 6th and 8th standard, another village. I used to walk 3 kilometers to the school. Then after 8th, there is no high school in our area. So my elder sister was in Kumbakonam. Then she asked me to come to Kumbakonam for the higher studies. Higher means high school, 9th, 10th, 11th, like that. So there, my drawing master, he told, in Kumbakonam there is one art school. After, you are very good in art, so you are not good in studies. So you go and join,
in the art school.
Yeah, this is what, he told.
This is one very important aspect, Subras. In those days, earlier days and all, if you are not good in studies, it means you put to art school. That was done. I have heard it from many old masters also who studied in JJ and all, who are. I asked them, sir, how did you join? They also always used to say, we are not good in studies. So finally, our parents said, okay, you are not fit for anything, so go to art school.
Go to art school.
That was
the basic studies in the village, it was not very good. So even the English language, only in 5th we are reading ABCD, in the 5th standard. You see, now I am talking in so many years, by mistake, talking so many things, and even still now the grammar, I don't know what is the grammar, somehow I want to communicate. So this is what happened, and I joined the art school. It was government school of arts that time. Then later on only college of arts and the degree and all made. That time diploma. Then first 2 years, all the subject we have to study, and sculpture, graphic art, graphic design, painting, everything, even weaving, including printmaking also. Yeah, it was all there. Then after 2 years, we have to take 3 years, one special subject as a diploma. So I took commercial art, which is graphic design. The reason is I want to go for a job after completing, because in my village, for my studies, my father sold some property. So that was in my mind, I wanted to get back
repay that loan.
Yeah.
And buy back.
Vasant, in the village, selling the property is not the good. That was the least choice. Any loan or anything, that was the least. So the forefathers, the property from the, so that is the, so then I was, took commercial art. But painting came how, for the competition, there will be announcement in the notice board, the principal will write, keep it. And only the senior students, that means 4th year, 5th year can participate, because they wanted to keep the quality of, the college name, So simply you cannot send. So I was 3rd year, then I was not supposed to send, actually. But somehow, there was one senior student, he used to make Chidambaram collage, I liked it. I said, how you make? Then he said it is a magazine and like that. That time Span magazine from US. So then I asked him one day, Chidambaram, can you give me some book? Yeah, come to my home. Then evening I went. He gave me 2 books. And there were some pieces on the floor, he used, then I asked him, can I take all this?
Can I take the 12 pieces?
I collected. The book is so beautiful. I didn't touch the book. I kept as it is. From the waste, I made one mother and child. Something like this size, some maybe 12 by 24 or something like that size. I kept in my house. So there was an announcement from Chitrakala Parishad, Bangalore, in 1972. So next year will be 50th year of my collage journey. This is another coincidence.
I know.
So 1972, I was 3rd year student. Then I made it. Somehow I want to send it. So I packed and brought, one fine morning. And the senior students already they packed in a box. Already sealed, nailed, everything inside they kept. Then I said,
to send it to Chitrakala Parishad.
Yeah, to send it to Chitrakala, yes. Then I asked them, can you open, I have some one work. Then he said, what? It is such a small work. Go to take permission from principal. And this is already closed. We are about to take it to the parcel office. And you are 1st year diploma, 3rd year. You are not 4th year or 5th year. so we cannot send. Like that, they shifted. I was, I was about to cry because I liked my work, Then, then principal came, luckily, Dhanpal Master, the famous sculptor, he was principal.
Oh, okay.
He came, Dhanpal. He came, and what happened? Then I said, sir, I made one, and they refused to send. Where are they? They already. Okay, you send it alone. Then I said, how, sir? Yeah, you go to TVS parcel office. There is somebody will pack and they will send it to you. You have any money? Yeah, I have, sir. Okay. I went, 6 rupees I paid for the parcel to Bangalore, and 1 rupee I gave it to that old man who, with the straw and the gunny, he packed nicely and then sent. Vasant, after 1 month, I received a telegram. You won the special prize, 250 rupees cash. No one got, other senior students, no one. Then they were asking, what work you sent? What is that? Like that, Then they don't know, what is the work. Then I didn't come here, but they sent the check and the certificate. I have this and the work also. After that, everyone saw that work. And that work, again, our Tanjore collector came visit, for the school. He bought that work for 150 rupees. So that work, 250 award plus 150. That time, our school fees 2 rupees monthly.
Correct.
Yeah, and the merit scholarship 75 rupees monthly I am getting as a merit, student.
Okay. Yeah.
For 3 years. Yeah, this was the first, entering. After that, I was making collage to send competitions only, not the regular basis.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay. So this is the way how your journey started, basically.
It started, yes. Yeah, exactly.
The first display was on the temple walls where the priest shouted at you.
Yeah.
And from there to the college where you were rejected for the collage work to send, and then, but luckily the principal, he told you to
send. And that exhibition was in Vidhan Chowk, the banquet hall, the show that time. There was no Chitragala Parishad big building that time. So it was called Mysore Pradesh Chitragala Parishad that time. The certificate I had. So in Vidhan Chowk, the banquet hall, the display was there. All I came to know later. Yes.
Excellent.
Yeah.
So then you finished your course and then you got into job. And I guess you moved abroad.
Actually, I was the rank student in Chennai and Kumbakonam. I was the highest mark in the final exam. So I was a rank student. It came in the newspaper. Everything was there. My father was very happy. Then moved, with the certificate, moved to Chennai.
Okay.
Went to all the leading advertising companies.
At that time,
where I was rejected because you don't have any experience. So you go any small firm, at least 6 months you work and come to me. This was Then I was started my career as a designer in a screen printing unit in Thiruvanmiyur, Chennai. Outskirts Chennai, Thiruvanmiyur, I started, super screen. And getting the salary of 175 rupees. And room rent 40 rupees and 100 rupees I will pay for the 3 times food in a hotel. I was saying, I used to smoke. Rest of the money for movie in Mount Road and, weekend. This is the life, okay.
The typical life.
My father was not happy with this. He is insisting, you should go to government job. This was the one he said. It should be government job. Then I told my, the receptionist lady, if any newspaper, any ad comes, you just let me know. Then there was an advertisement from Bangalore Visvesvaraya Museum. There was an artist come modeler post. So she showed me and I applied. I came for interview. I got selected. That also, how selected means 1 point made me to select, the exhibition officer, Mr. Amit Sarkar. He was interested in theatre, Bengali. So there was Bengali Association. Every year they used to celebrate.
Correct.
So in my father's occupation, I wrote theatre artist, stage actor. This he marked. So that's this guy may be helpful for our Bengali Association play, like that. But said this. Anyway, maybe, but in the merit, we have to work as a model and all. So I did. There was 10 candidates and I was selected, appointed. In between, after the interview, my father died.
Okay.
So he didn't see my job actually. Interview, I applied and I told my father that I went for interview.
Yeah.
Then, oh, very good. Okay, all the best, like that. Then I got the job. Before that, he died. Before a week, I came and joined. I didn't go for taking my first month's salary because I want to give it to my father, the first month's salary. So
Yes. Yes.
I was
Yes.
little bit, then they came to know the accounts department and, they told Sarkar and, he said, take the salary and go to your native village. Your mother is there. You spend some time and you come back like that.
Okay.
So this was the government job and, like that.
The story
Then,
for job.
then Vasant, I moved to Bharat Airforce Limited because four-figure salary is very important those days.
Those
1,000
days.
plus.
Yeah.
Okay. So I got a job in Bharat Airforce Limited. But it is a defense ministry. There is no much job. It is personal job for the CMD and, things like that. I was I was upset because getting salary without doing anything.
Yeah.
Basically, from the village, the mindset.
Yes.
We don't. Yeah.
Correct. It's not acceptable. Like.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this was the scene. Finally, I decided to go to, outside India. That time, more salary and, like that. So like that only I moved Saudi Arabia.
You quit a government job and then went abroad.
Yeah, government job. Everybody was, advised don't because this is a pensionable job and no problem. You can enjoy the government job. No. I said I can't sit simply. Like if we will bring the tea. There is a typist because this is a grade 1 officer. So they given the separate place and like that. I said I don't want to waste my. After I left. Who came for the job? Krishna Shetty. Our famous PS Krishna Shetty. He was in the advertising company, Clarion.
Yeah.
Then our advertising agency was Clarion for BML. So they requested and he joined. He used to tell, Nimma jagane nange sikittu. Like that, he used to. Even
I did not know this. Okay.
Yeah, after become administrative officer at Electrical Academy, he used to tell, even now, whenever he will tell others, friends, Subra, he left, I got the job.
The job and I got the job.
Yeah, like that. He used to, So this was this one.
How was your experience in abroad?
Actually,
there again, I guess you worked in the field of art, in graphics only.
Yeah. That time also no computer graphics. Everything manually we have to do. Correct. I was a designer in a company called NAPCO, National Paper Company. First in Dammam, then later I shifted to Jeddah, the port city near Makkah, Medina.
Correct.
Everything manually we have to do, and I don't know no art activities because it's a very strict Islamic country. You cannot simply roam here and there. Even the prayer time, you cannot stand here and there. Either you have to go to the mosque to pray, other you have to be inside somewhere.
Correct.
Like that, very strict country. Then 85 I went.
Okay.
92 my family joined. 94 my daughter died at the age of 9. She was diagnosed cancer. So son, wife, me. In 96 there was an advertisement. After so many years, after 11 years, I saw an advertisement in the Saudi Gazette newspaper, the Saudi Malwan art competition, like that.
Yeah.
Then I called even a friend of mine, Mrs. Kumari Thomas. She also called. There is advertisement. You have to participate. These are all for you people, like that. And I said, what I will do? Then I read the painting should have the Islamic values, something like that mentioned.
Yeah.
Then I was thinking what to do. Then what material available where? I have no idea. From the company bus will come, go, come back, house.
That's it.
Yeah, this is the lifestyle. Yeah. So on the way near my house, there was a hardware shop. I know that there paint and everything available. One Thursday, I took 2 packing boards. It is 3 by 3 feet square size board was there. Imported, it's a nice board.
Yeah.
I collected. I came Thursday after day our company because Friday holiday. I came. I took some material from the hardware shop, you know, the gold spray, paint,
Correct.
then plastic emulsion, and
Correct.
some glue, like Fevicol, some glue.
Correct.
I had
Correct.
magazines. I made 2 works. One is Islamic architecture. Another one is the Medina Holy Mosque. Okay, image purity. This mosque and, you know, the Islam spread.
Yeah.
That
Again, with collage work or painting, drawing?
collage only.
Okay. Okay.
Collage. Yeah, mixed media. Yeah, mixed media. That was the one I used to do, you know.
Correct.
So that is easy for me within no time. I think within 45, 1 hour, I completed both the work. My son was a young boy, you know, he was seeing when I work, and I asked him, how is it? Yeah, you finish it, then let me see, like that. Then it is finished. Only I signed. I made this slide and send it. Then I was called for the invitation. They didn't say I won award and all. Invitation. The next day, newspaper announcement, award winners. One Ahmad Muhammad, you know, like that, Faisal. One Subramanian Gopal Swami was there.
Okay.
In the award list. I went there. You know, it is very interesting is, I called them and I asked, can I bring my family? I said, no. Makkah governor is coming to give the award, so no female allowed.
Oh my God. Okay.
There was a female winner. No, that is next day they will give. So when I went there alone, 200 dignitaries, all men, award winner, sitting there, and you know, the next day, same 200 dignitaries, female, and the princess will give the award to the female winner.
Women artist.
Yeah, it is a Sofitel hotel.
Okay.
It was, yeah, the award ceremony. This was the one. The award is what, you know, a gold medal with trip to Europe destination, 18 days.
Cool.
Yeah, this is the.
Okay. Okay.
So yeah, when I went to show my certificate and, you know, the gold medal to my owner, Marwan Abdul Latif Sheikh, he saw the ticket and said, "Subra, this is for you. What about your wife and son?" No, sir, only me. I can travel. Okay, company will pay for them.
Okay. Okay.
You know, the company gave, we three, you know, we went to Italy, Rome, you know, Sistine Chapel. I'm seeing Michelangelo's wonders.
Michelangelo's,
yeah. I was, you know, I was thinking when I enter Sistine Chapel, a Hindu getting an award from an Islamic nation, visiting the holy place of Christians. See this is God, you know, this is where the God present. I was thinking this. Then from there, I went to Paris, Louvre Museum, Musée d'Orsay, all the Impressionist masters' work, Picasso Museum, everything, you know. So this was the breaking point, you know, the important, this one happened in my life. Yeah. Seeing all these, especially Impressionist masters, Monet and Van Gogh, I was seriously thinking of becoming a painter, you know. This was the first.
So that was the turning point. Your Europe trip was the turning point where you seriously decided, now I have to be an artist.
Yeah, yes, exactly. Yes. Okay. Then seriously, I was started working.
And then how did you do? You returned, you came back to India, or what did you do then?
Not immediately, because immediately we cannot decide, you know. We have no house in India. Correct. I have a flat in Chennai. I don't want to go to Chennai. Okay. You know, Chennai is a lot of politics in the art field. I don't want. Bangalore is very good in that way. Vasudev is here, and, you know, all the senior artists, I know them.
Yes.
James Mani sir, everybody, you know, here. So I decided to settle in Bangalore only.
Okay.
And my wife is from the Bangalore, you know. So then in between, I bought a land. I just made a house.
Okay.
Then in between, I sent works to India. I won State Academy Award, Dalit Kala Academy State Award, and IFAX Award, and something like the 2-3. Then again, Saudi Malvan second time. So in 2001, I decided to come back.
Okay.
Then I was working hard on this. 2003, June 26th, I landed India, finally. Resigned my job at the age of 51.
So it took 2 years for you after your Europe trip to come back to India and settle as an artist and begin your new life as an artist at the age of 51.
Vasant, you will be wondering, you know, when I start seriously, I thought, you know, to become a painter. From the college days, you know, work I started, basic drawings. I was practicing drawing daily. Then I did drawing-based inner line series. You see this?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So this I started. I was see this very detailed,
Okay.
very detailed drawing. Yeah.
Excellent.
This is in Chennai and Bangalore. I did the show. Basic drawing based, a little bit spiritual, because after the loss of my daughter, I become a little bit spiritual. Then I went to Ramanashram. Ramana Maharshi is my
Correct.
guru, like that. So this was the subject line based. Then again one more exhibition I did, that is Sacred Book Pages, all erotic series.
Okay.
This exhibition inaugurated by our S.G. Vasudev in Bangalore.
Okay.
This is all erotic basis, drawing based.
Yes.
Yeah.
So Subras, yeah, I think I want you to send these images to me so that I can definitely add this into
Sure. Yeah, I will
both these series.
Yeah,
but one thing. I mean, see, this is an interesting point. I would like to know more about this. Now, the first catalog that you showed me, the lines that you did. So this was something after you lost your daughter. That was an emotional phase, a disaster phase. Then to heal yourself, you went to Ramana Maharshi Ashram. And the spiritual, that exercise of that environment helped you to, guided you for a better one, for a better opening.
Sure.
Okay. Now, during that time process, you created these works.
Yeah.
The line. Yeah. Now, my question is usually when people visit any European museum, when they come back, their entire forms, lines, or approach will be Western.
Yeah.
But in your case, it was totally the other way around. You saw the entire Western master's work, but when you came back, you were back to your roots. Now, this is an important aspect. Now, how do you, the reason why I asked you this is, when Raja Ravi Varma was sent to Europe by the Baroda king, that time, Gaikwad, okay, saying that go have a look and we want to have. Now, Gaikwad was expecting that Ravi Varma will come, because you see, in Europe, the entire paintings are either religious or political paintings. Of those kinds. It's all about kings, wars, or about God, church, and everything. But when Ravi Varma returned back, he told that why should we replicate that? Instead, we will have episodes which is of our culture, our roots, and that is where the entire Ramayana series and all was.
Yes.
This thing. Now, that was that aspect. Is always was like look at the way how Ravi Varma visioned that entire right, and the Gaikwad was very happy. He was like, wow, this is an idea. Let us have something. Now, I always used to think like, usually when people go to Europe, when they are highly influenced or inspired by the Europe, because European masters are great.
Sure.
So how is that you got back to your roots? Your forms, your artworks are all about Indian spiritual history or spiritual forms. Even these lines and all in this way. Now, how is that the Western influence coming back to the Indian roots? Now, how is this?
This is really very, very important question, Vasan, and it's very, very important. You got the correct, point.
Yeah.
I told, basically we are from the village, and the play and all were in the mind. Even though I was moved in Chennai and Bangalore, I was a village boy only.
Exactly. Yeah, I think,
I cannot, it is very difficult to mingle with the city style.
Yes.
Many will make a joke. What is this fellow, Mahatma Gandhi? What is he? What he will not tell lie. He will not, like that. They used to joke.
Living the innocent life of the. See, basically, one more thing. Sorry to cut you here. People refer to as rural India or urban India. I don't refer that. No, I think this is our indigenous India. This is the real India.
This is the real one.
Because
city
we have
is
the
very limited area. City is very limited area.
Urbanite, yeah, because our real India, indigenous, Sanjay, that has the right culture, nature, the values, the entire work process is all very integrated system.
You are right. You are right. So when
I don't call it as rural India. Sorry, we'll call it as the real or the indigenous India.
Yes. It is the yes. So this was in the mind, and when I started reading Ramana Maharishi's book, a friend of mine gave, Guru Ramana by S.S. Cohen, a British author, who came from London that time to write about Ramana, and he was staying. Actually, he wanted to stay for a month. Then month is not enough. 6 months. Then till his death, some 13, 14 years he was living in ashram. Next one, he made a hut. His observation is the book, content. That book, luckily I got it, I read. I didn't go to Ramanashram, initially only the book. I was in Saudi Arabia, only 2000, I came and I went to Ramanashram. So that time when I started meditating, maybe with the basic of our own things in the mind.
Correct.
Some kind of clarity, some kind of actually my favorite is Vincent van Gogh, my favorite actually. Correct. Because I was not very good in drawing in the School of Arts. So master used to check, Vincent van Gogh, because he's weak drawing, always when you see, if you compare Rembrandt and Van Gogh, it is the other extreme, Correct. So he used to make fun. So he's anyway, I visited later on to in Amsterdam anyway, that is all later. Yeah. So when I started, thinking these type of things comes, started. Then I started making Inner Line series. The Ramana, two things are there. The Atma Vicharam, Atma Samarpana. Know yourself, go inside, know yourself, and you surrender in front of nature. Yeah. He mentioned always God never. Nature is the God for him. It is correct. Even now, all religious people will visit in the Ramanashram. You can find Muslims meditating there.
He was a great thinker and a great spiritualist.
That is the way. And from this series, two of my work got the again, the State Academy Award won the Inner Line series, drawing only, not collage. Even the IPAX Award won Panjapatchi Sastram, the 5 birds, that was the one selected for even the IPAX Award. Anyway. So
basically, your childhood experiences of the theater, that made the foundation of your values and your entire the cultural and you see the spiritual aspects of it.
Yeah, exactly.
Maybe that
you are absolutely right. Yeah,
that got connected.
I never moved here and there.
Yeah, and thereafter that the village life.
Yeah,
that molded you for to live that simple and direct connectivity with the with life.
Yeah, you are right. You are exactly right. Absolutely, you are absolutely right.
Yeah. Your squatters incident, sorry to cut you, your squatters incident only pushed you to spirituality.
Sure.
That accident pushed you to spirituality, where you really met a big soul like Ramana Maharishi or someone, and then so basically these are the aspects which, even though you went abroad, you saw all the things, but you still remain to your roots, and you did and you're doing your the paintings in the same level, in the same lines.
You are absolutely right. Yes.
Excellent.
So even anyway, the drawing base, everything is there. After come back as a full-time painter, it was not a good response from the galleries initially.
Correct.
When I visited galleries like the Sumuka, Renaissance, all these. No, you are in. You are either you are not upcoming, you are not senior, you are in between. A pepper salt hair. Now it is full white. So which category we will keep it, and we have our own setup. This is because for gallery, selling works are good works. Correct. They don't care about
Correct.
Yeah, this is what. But I need money. I want to survive. I want to sell the work. Correct. Leaving a big job and like that.
Correct.
with 6 lakhs service money only, because all the money I spent for my daughter treatment, a year long, this was so many things. This I kept it in the post office deposit, and 4,000 every month I used to get. This was the income. And my son, he was going for editing apprentice in a studio. My boy. So anyway, own house, but I need money, at least
correct.
10,000 rupees I need,
And that too in a city like Bangalore, yes.
Yeah, yes. So initially, I was doing figurative works. This is, see, like this, something like Shri only, but in a realistic way. Yeah, see, this is one of my detailed work. This was the initial work. This is another. Yeah. So, okay. These are all okay to sell, but not in a bigger way. So one day I was working, my son about to leave to his studio. He saw me, Dad, everything is okay? I said, yeah, but you look sad. Then I said, this is my face. It looks sad, maybe. No. I think you are not happy with your work. Yes, Prabhu, the galleries are not responding in a positive way. He suggested, he is like a god that moment. Why don't you do your collage? You won award even in Saudi Arabia, the major awards, 3 times you won for collage. So why don't you do? Then I asked him, who will buy? It is a paper, no? That charcoal drawing people are buying. Watercolor people are buying. Why not? Collage. This is your style, special. He told and went. I took seriously. I saw some canvas, a small size canvas was there, 18 by 12 or something. I took the magazine and this. I made one guitarist girl standing. It has come out good. I just kept. Evening, Bharti Chanana, a art collector, friend from Bangalore, she called. Subra, you have any small work? My Gayatri daughter came from London. She wanted to carry with her, for her. Yeah. I have, because I have other works, This collage I never considered. I just kept. She came next day morning. As soon as they entered, Gayatri saw the collage first. Uncle, is it yours? Yeah. Is it collage? Yes. You know collage? Yeah, I know. I live in London, uncle. I know everything. Can I take this? Yes. She took. Uncle, I am carrying this. Yeah, okay. She opened her bag and 6,000 rupees she had, and she gave it to me. The uncle, balance, mommy will pay. She told. Said, no, enough. You accepted my collage. That itself is okay. Encouraging. So the Gayatri, like a Gayatri goddess, taking the work to London. This is the encouragement to do.
The first thing that.
Yes.
When you restarted once again in Bangalore.
Yes. I thanked my son wholeheartedly. So then the collage started. Luckily, Kinkini Gallery started in 2004. The Raman, Sir C.V. Raman family. And the daughter-in-law of Sir C.V. Raman, Dominique, she's a French woman, as a painter also. She used to buy my work, all the money work and everybody work. She's a good art collector. She knows me personally, and she called me that my son and daughter-in-law, they came from US and they want to start a gallery. You have to give work like that. Then I gave. My first 2 Ganesha sold in the inaugural day of Kinkini. That itself is another, bond, from me and Kinkini family, So that is this is started. Then no end. So
no look back then. No look back from there.
Yes.
Definitely. Speaking about your work, I should definitely tell Subras, collage, in making collage work, especially when you use papers from the National Geographic magazine, which is a very good quality paper. Now, there are 2 important aspects which I observe. For example, you do all these beautiful godly figures like Ganesha, Lakshmi, Saraswati, Krishna, Radha. But the material that you use, the paper that you use, the images in that paper are that of beautiful nature in this world. It can be water, it can be ocean, it can be sky, it can be land and all. So whenever I see your work, I see that see, because God, basically God is what? In one of the ways how we can understand God is nature.
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
like
right.
This beautiful creation. And I always say like God is the biggest artist, because this entire earth, the forest, the rivers and all, what landscape he creates, it's like. And I always find the flying birds as his signature,
Yeah.
That's like, just like how we paint and we sign. It
Yeah,
is like,
yeah,
whenever I see that the row of birds flying, I feel like, God has signed the nature now. Okay, done.
yeah.
So beautiful thing. Like, so when I see from distance, when you see, I see a beautiful Ganesha or a Krishna. But when I go near and I see every piece of paper has its own complexities, has its own beautiful nature. Yes. So it is like individually, each piece of paper is giving you another visual narration, but collectively it is giving another beautiful when you see from distance. Like,
that's correct.
So that is a beautiful experience of viewing your artworks, Subras. And next question, how do you find the current contemporary scenario?
Before that, one more thing I wanted to tell you that I told you that I have in our village no high school, I said.
Correct.
So after started selling work, I started a trust on my daughter name, Surya Educational Trust, mainly education for my village.
Okay.
Then we approached Tanjore collector for the high school.
Okay.
He didn't give much attention. Then we personally asked, what is the problem? He said, show the place at least. Then we will get to sanction. Because this village is such a big village where we will construct.
Correct.
Then we bought a land through our trust and we gave that. And Jayalalitha period that time.
Yes.
Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. 3 crore sanctioned. And now a high school is standing in my village.
Very, very beautiful.
Yeah.
Very beautiful.
See now also.
Yes. That's a great achievement.
Yeah. Every August 15th,
not only achievement, a contribution.
Yeah. It is in the village. It is standing, and every August 15th we go there. The rank student and some poor, mainly the girl child.
Correct.
We give cash awards and all this for the school. Some other things.
Yeah, you encourage and motivate them. Excellent.
Yeah, this is the one thing I am so happy. And later, to assist art related, junior artists, I started Surya Art Foundation 5 years back. And we started printing catalogs or, buying artworks from the upcoming. Like that, I collected around 30-40 artworks already in our collection. So these are the things, maybe giving back to the society, I think. I don't know, whatever you call it.
Yeah.
So this is satisfying our entire family even.
Great initiative.
So yeah, this is one thing I wanted to mention. Yeah. Anyway, now I will come to your question, the present scenario.
Yes.
Actually, after the Corona, COVID, this one, many activities online, coming, very, very familiar, and people are started seeing Facebook or, all these things. So the lot of activities is happening. Even I came to, from Namu Kini, the Kikini gallery founder. She told Subra, it is encouraging. The selling part is more encouraging nowadays. Because there are new buyers. And so this is what I find as a positive side.
Correct.
So as you said, but we have to do a lot, for the awareness, to create awareness, like you started a TV, like that, certain things we have to start, especially in India, we have to do.
There are a lot of things to be done. There are a lot of things to be done yet.
Yeah. Even recently, the Swasa apartment, the luxurious apartment, they arranged a camp. And I was one of the, camp artists.
Yes.
It was very nice. And, the people are started liking, even the younger generation, they love art. These are all happening not in a very big way. At least something started. This is what.
Yeah. Maybe with time it will grow.
Sure, definitely. Definitely. Even with your initiative, it will reach. Mostly it will reach.
Everyone are doing their bit.
Yeah.
All of us are doing their small bit.
You are right. Yes.
So it's like collectively it goes. That's
collectively. Yeah. That is what.
Yeah. Excellent, Subras. It was very nice. Very nice talking to you. We definitely will connect once again for more interactions, for more discussions. But definitely have a great time ahead with good health and creating more beautiful artworks. We would love to see you more.
And thank you, Vasant.
Creating works. So, friends, I'm sure that you like this interview, this interaction with Subras, and to know so many interesting facts that are involved in Subras's life. So do let us know what you think about this. Please do like, share, and comment on this channel and subscribe Art TV. Thank you very much. Thank you, Subras, for being a part of this show. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Thanks.